Why go for your dead trim, Josh?
Is that biked?
I don't know.
I'm waiting.
This is a game and a half.
I
You what?
Can I have a teammate that hasn't recently left a clinic of some sort?
ain't JJ. What are you on about?
I missed that.
I'm in a different clinic, but...
Oh, okay.
I'm yelling, yeah, yeah. 10 of you, but 1 of me. Yeah, yeah. I'm a different kind of G. I'm a different kind of G.
Oh, yeah, it's Jake, like from State Farm.
What you...
Get
Oh,
girls,
yeah,
but the hooker said you paid for it.
Me and Rice in the
Me
house
and
are like
Rice in
8
the house are like
floors.
8 floors. Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah!
It's the ad-libs, bruv, the ad-libs.
Oh no.
Oh yeah!
Okay, oh my god.
Who else feels liberated?
No, I feel like a water monster.
Okay, that was just very liberating what the noise he just made, doesn't it?
Oi!
Come on.
Hey, Josh, what was
Is
that?
that English?
That's him hitting my bum.
I told Josh he was a mouth spasm.
How far are we getting?
No, you tell me.
That was really weird.
What's timing? What was that?
I'm a vacuum.
We're playing with the vacuum.
Real kissing.
Stop that!
Busting that.
You
I
just
busted
built a
that in
snowman.
there. I busted that
Guys, I'd
in
really
here
appreciate if you guys
sometimes.
just like
saying What?
You're not even in the car, you just stood on your feet.
special kid.
To me, to you then.
I'm sorry.
Hey, what was that noise?
Vic's.
Gagging. I'm deep throating.
Vic's gonna take a while.
Vic loves fat cock.
Hey Vic, do
Yeah,
your best
they're all
dolphin
nice.
impression.
It is. I can't. I just can't.
Go on.
Just do it.
It's like a really high pitched like cackle, isn't it? It's like
Just do it. Just do it. Do it.
Gosh.
I did wrong.
Yo,
Someone had a
JJ, can you
malfunction.
do one, please?
That's a goose.
Oh my! What? Okay, go, run. Oh, it's a great ball. Stay on side.
Bro, where's he off to? He's just gonna hide behind there, bro. Bang! There you go, you're dead. 21 shots to the head. I've got no ammo. Let's make a run instead.
Don't you remember Dungeon Love?
The fuck?
Dungeon Love? You don't remember Dungeon Love?
I don't remember
What
Dungeon
is it?
Love.
What do you mean? I don't remember it. I don't know it.
It was like...
What the fuck, JJ?
What the fuck?
JJ, is this some videos or do you just do this?
I don't know. Let's move on to the next race.
Where's the book? I'm trying to find the... Where's the book? Oh my god. No, claustrophobia. They're doing this on purpose.
Doors closing.
Just breathe, Ethan. Breathe.
Let's fly! Lord, win! Stop.
When you're claustrophobic,
Second floor.
Ah!
Doors opening.
Horrible friends. That's what I... It's all on video.